how to make practice nunchucks quick and simple, nice and easy. And that's the finished product. Okay, so this is the main equipment, which is literally 2 kitchen foils and string. The rest is tools that you need, so a strong pen, make sure it's nice and sturdy, as well as scissors. You need to make holes around 2 finger distance from the top. You can just pierce it through with a strong pen, twisting it. Make sure it's big enough to get your thread through. Do the same thing exactly on the opposite side, 2 finger distance. Yeah, you want to do the same thing for another roll as well. So you've got 8 holes in total. So for the string, if you've got a needle, it's a lot easier to thread this through. However, it's completely possible to do it without, and I'll show you in a bit how to do it without it. You follow the same pattern though, so do watch this bit. Keep it equal in length. Then you want to thread it back through in a similar manner from the inside. And there you have it. You just want to tie the loose ends now. Make sure you keep around 5 finger distance so you've got space to use those nunchucks. I do recommend making sure your knots are very tight and safe to use. Don't want it opening up during practice. Good, and this is if you don't have a needle, then all you need to do is wet the bottom of the string. Make sure that the holes are at least twice the size of your string so that you can literally use gravity to pull the string down and catch it from the other side. Not too bad, eh? And make sure you come back to the same thing, cut the strings at the end. Ta-da! Working nunchucks. You can practice with at home, and to make it really, really cool, you can draw your own dragon or whatever design you like best. Nice traditional dragon on a nunchuck. And there you have it, under 10 minutes practice nunchucks. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.